Having the right gadgets makes our lives way easier. We are going to talk about a total of 11 products that have the potential to change how you manage and spend your day. Here we have something for your pets, for your desk, and even smart devices for your toilet. So let's get started with the trending finds. If you have any pets in your house, you know the struggle of wet floors. This is a Bobo and Bowl, a simple solution to this messy problem. The product has a floating glass disc, which sits right on top of the water. And when your dog or cat drinks water from this bowl, it only exposes a small amount of water. This prevents huge splashes from happening. Talking about the build quality, the bowl is made from a high-fire ceramic, and the disc is food-grade borosilicate glass. This is the most crucial information, as the material which has been used does not contain plastic. The problem with the plastic material is that it often leads to trapped grime and bacteria over time. As compared to that, ceramics and glass are much easier to keep clean and hygienic. The bowl holds up to 40 ounces of water. This is more than enough for a full day of hydration for your pet. And the ceramic-based design is also stable, and it will not knock over during a serious drinking session. The best part is that it is dishwasher safe, meaning there are no more worries about cleaning it. You can simply toss them in the machine and get it clean. It is a simple solution that does not have any complicated wiring or filters to worry about. Everyone who owns an Apple Watch faces this one problem. Their batteries died at the worst possible time. Carrying a charger is not a solution that everyone likes. But this gadget is especially designed to tackle this problem. This is a Pixie Tag, the smallest Apple Watch power bank with Find My functionalities. The device is small enough to attach right to your keychain. This makes it easy to take wherever you go. It comes with a 500 mAh battery, which is enough for a full day. It gives you up to 10 additional hours of life. Even charging is super fast. It comes with a USB-C port. Here you can have quick top-ups before your next workout or long flights. Another thing you get to see in this device is Apple's Find My technology. And if you attach this to your keychain, then you can track it down using the Find My app on your iPhone. Next, we have something that is a game changer for hard floor cleaning. It is called the Beastie Dual Tank Floor Washer. This is an all-in-one cleaning machine. And the best part of this machine is its vacuum before mops. It first sucks all the hair and dust around with a strong 20,000 PA suction, and then it does the cleaning. Another cool thing it has two separate tanks, a clean water tank and a dirty water tank. This means you are always cleaning with fresh water. And for serious cleaning, it has a 180-degree true stream. That hot stream helps sanitize your floor, and the 180-degree flat helps reach, letting you slide right under low furniture. Also, once you are done with your house cleaning, you don't have to clean the cleaner. It has an automatic self-maintenance feature. It washes its own roller and then uses high-temp self-drying to dry the brush. This machine allows you to perfectly clean your house without spending all your weekend on your hands and knees. Next up, we have something for the pet owner. This is a Winkazi Daiko light collar, a collar that reinvents how modern dogs walk. This collar uses a patented radial contraction system, which not only adapts to your dog's movement, it contracts instantly. Here, when your dog tries to pull you, the dog feels gentle pressure around the entire neck, and it gives the signal to the dog to behave properly. The best part that you will see here is simplicity. It uses all comfort and has no tech. There are no electronics, batteries, or charging tension. It is a 100% mechanical and super reliable solution to use in any weather. It is designed for all comfort and for daily use. This tool totally simplifies how you walk with your dog, and it helps strengthen your bond with your dog. This one is for the people who struggle with organizing their toiletries. This is an Escapade 3, which is a travel essentials organizer. The main idea here is an organization. It is not just organizing a few items, but rather it is a solution to organize all your travel essentials. Here, everything has its own place. You don't have to dig around and mess things up only to find a toothbrush. It comes with multiple size elastic pockets. These hold everything from tiny floss to bigger shampoo. The things that you will appreciate more here are the clever design. It has a dedicated space for everything, and it is incredibly compact when closed. And you can even hang it anywhere. There is a built-in hook, which you can use to hang it on a towel rack, a door, or even a tree if you're camping. This bag really simplifies how you pack your toiletries. Next, we have another cool essential for travelers. This is a Nomade 58, and it's an all-in-one daily travel hoodie. The hoodie features a total of 28 pockets and boasts a total of 58 features. You can think of it as a walking backpack blended inside the hoodie. It helps you smartly carry all your essentials wherever you go. It is especially designed for travelers who want to carry different things, but don't like holding things in their hands. The material used in this is waterproof and breathable, which means rain won't soak your essentials, and you won't feel overheated while you move. Here, having different pockets is the main attraction. It has a special spot for everything. Here you get passport pockets, slots for water bottles, and many more. This hoodie helps you keep all your gear organized and easy to access. About the security of your stuff. Here, many pockets are hidden and zipped. This will protect your valuable stuff from pickpockets in crowded areas. This is a fantastic multi-tool that is built for every single adventure. This little monster packs 22 different functions, which is a huge amount of utility in your pockets. It is designed to be compact, and you can easily carry it in your small pockets. It is made from tough stainless steel, which makes this device incredibly rugged. It will make you ready to handle serious wear and tear. Talking about the different kinds of tools you get. Here you get wrenches for common bolt sizes, multiple screwdriver heads. Apart from that, you even get to see a ruler, a bottle opener, and a box cutter. This next gadget takes your health tracking to the next level. This Panda Smart Health Tracker is a smart AI digestive and hydration tracker. This device mounts right inside your toilet and quietly analyzes your stool and your urine. And it does all this automatically every time you use the toilet. It uses advanced AI and analyzes the data for valuable information and gives you daily insights on digestion. This way it helps you make the right choices and helps better monitor your overall gut health. If you think starting seeds indoors is tough, then this LetPot Seed Starter Kit SS Pro makes that thing easy. This kit can give you year-round auto seedling growth. This automatic system handles the toughest parts of gardening. It has an auto temperature and light control feature, which eliminates those guessing games. Here you get a 24-watt full-spectrum light, which provides a necessary light mimicking sunlight, and a built-in 24-watt heater provides the perfect temperature for sprouting. The kit comes with a 40-cell duration tray, which provides plenty of space to start many plants. What you are looking for right now is the world's first fully ceramic keyboard. It has a full 100% ceramic body that makes you feel milky smooth to the touch. Even though the sound is amazing, it delivers that thocky typing experience. Here you get a deep, satisfying sound with every press. Also, the magnetic switches give that super responsive and fast typing with ultra-precise keystrokes. For gamers and professionals who appreciate speed, this board has an 8K polling rate. That is 8,000 times per second, which means your inputs are registered almost instantly. Next up, we have a clever piece for your eyes. This is the Color Cult Eyewear, an interchangeable biohacking eyewear. With this, you get a sharper vision that makes you feel calmer. Here, you get one frame, and this one frame works with 4 different lenses. You can easily swap them out quickly when you need it. Here, each lens is built for a different purpose. They help manage light exposure and optimize your body performance. One lens is designed for computer work. It helps block that harmful blue light. Another is for bright outdoor sun. Here you have lenses for everything you do. This significantly reduces your eye strain and helps improve your sleep pattern. With that, we finish our list of 11 useful finds. If you enjoy this video, hit that like button. Share this video with your friends who need an update. And finally, subscribe to the channel so you never miss new upcoming videos.